we just filled out. So you're ready for this. Now, are you really ready for this? We've been talking about this storm for a few days. We've been suggesting to people that they are prepared just in case there's a power outage, that they've got all the supplies they need, that they don't drive if they don't have to.
No.
Did you pay heed?
Oh, yeah, I pay heed.
Yes.
I listened to Michael Cooper, just like, oh,
Absolutely.
and another day I will be sending him pictures saying, okay, Mikey, enough, thank you.
We have to wonder if, 9 months from now we'll have a population explosion on a day like today with everybody indoors. You never know.
Yeah, you never know. We're just that time of year where,
Indoor fun, absolutely. You're a hoot and a holler. Nice to speak with you, Laura. Thank you so much.
Yeah, we in the Eastern GTA today.
You sure are. Okay, thanks for calling. You're watching special storm coverage on CB24. More of Toronto's news radio.
Spoken again. J.D. Power and Associates ranks TriDown highest in satisfying new condominium home buyers in the Greater Toronto Area for a second consecutive year. Of all the things we've built, your trust is valued the most. TriDown. Built green.